Hustle hard in any hustle that you hustle hard in any hustle that you pick. Hustle hard in any hustle that you pick. Any nigga toothpick, but I do lift weight.
A arm and a leg to perform, you heard me? Just that before this on a record, you heard me? Now hooked up with a Vodka Corporation, they don't fuck up. You old ass rappers don't know the nigga to get in the game. We send you to the old folks song. We not playing, you heard me? It's some real type shit like, it's some New Orleans shit like Biggie and Tupac meeting each other, you heard me? When they took that picture. You niggas ain't ready for that. If you niggas ain't really on the street type shit, you heard me? Nobody will get out the way. Cause you're gonna get rolled over. I'm telling you some real shit, you heard me? That's just I'm fucking with 88. The reason, man, this nigga done hooked up because shit about to go down in a major way, you heard me? All 4 flat times, we still gonna have a motor running, you heard me? 4 cans in this bitch, that's before this on the record. FTV, SPE, Vodka Corporation, that's how we rock. And look, catch me on the 20. I'm in it to win it, my nigga, this shit only notice.
Man, since I got fat in there, man, man, dude, like, is a staple in the city as far as the club game and making moves as really coming to himself as a promoter. And I think he's like one of those type of people that you call a gatekeeper. Gatekeepers are the people that, you know, they kind of set the tone for the city. So having him in the studio, I gotta ask him, man, what you think about Superstar? And
I want to say
also with that,
I shoot at the Mike Swift. I need that at my club banking.
already, right there. I'm loving that.
Like, I mean, I'm sitting back listening to him talk about the whole his conversion. I understand his whole grind, everything he's going through. Me, my friends, my family, all this been through it out. So you know what I mean. So it's just the whole thing of changing the hustle to the business and making the business a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Period.
I did.
Home in Pillsbury because I get dough, man. Even in the summertime, I can make it snow, man. A fool with the blow. I'm a real true hustle, man. I'll get a brick of sand and make a cool 100 grand.
Hustle hard in any hustle that you hustle hard in any hustle that you take. Hustle hard in any hustle that you
already know
take.
now.
Any nigga
Don't stop.
but I do lift weight. Hustle hard in any hustle that you